I'm Yui. So today I'm going to show you 3 apartments in the same building, and they are affordable, clean, and really good as well. So let's go. So this apartment location, it's really good and it's really quiet, and it also has free parking and for the generator electricity, so you don't have to worry about the electricity cut in the middle of the night because there is a generator for the electricity. So as you guys can see here, this is the parking area, and this area is so quiet, and as you can see here, there are many birds are singing at the moment. It's really good apartment. So as you walk inside to the apartment, there is a lobby. As you guys can see, there's lots of benches, and the benches is so unique with the wood. So just like it, it's really unique. And I don't know how they do that, it's so unique. Anyway, the apartment is on the first floor. And if you guys doesn't like to go upstairs as much with the food, so this apartment is good. Sorry, for the past couple days, my throat hurts so much. And this is the first floor. There's like a sofa here. It's not a sofa, I think it's a couch, but it have cushion in there. So it's really good. So there's 3 apartments, and all of them are different, and the price also the different as well. So this is the first apartment. As you guys can see here, there is a wooden bench, and it's quite unique, and also has the cushions here, so it's quite comfortable, and plus 2 pillows here for your bag, and a table here. So this is the living room area with an open plan kitchen, a few wardrobe here, and a table, 2 chairs, and a big fridge. And this is the kitchen area. It has a cupboard, a sink, and it also has a balcony. This is the balcony area, and this is the washing machine. The washing machine is really, it looks like a good one. And this is the bathroom. As you guys can see here, it has the sound is quite loud. I'm going to turn off the sound. So to turn off the fan. So this is the bathroom. It has a shower with hot water, a bathtub, a sink, a mirror, and a Western style toilet. I really do like the apartment have the plug in the bathroom. It's really useful because sometimes I use the hair dry. And this is the balcony. Sorry, I think I have not a flu. I don't have any COVID, but just like a little bit cold, a bit cough, a little bit, my throat hurt. So this is the balcony area. The balcony, it's a bit small, but it's big enough for hanging clothes, or even put like a chair and sit outside. And this apartment, it's really clean. It's really clean. As you guys can see, it's really clean. And it also has a huge smart TV. And this is the bedroom. As you guys can see here, it has a table, a small table, a mirror, a wardrobe, and this is the bedroom, and also has a bench here, and have two beds, 1 double bed and 1 single bed. And it has an aircon as well, a fancy light here, and this is the window. So it's quite nice here. It's really nice views here. So for this apartment, it's $250 per month. So now let's check out the second room. Oh, and this apartment in the living room also has an aircon. So it has 2 aircons, a bedroom but with 2 beds in there, and a bathroom with a bathtub as well. So now let's check out the second room. So this is the second room. This room is much bigger than the first one. As you guys can see here, this is a living room with an open plan kitchen as well. And as you walk in, there's a table with 2 chairs, a unique wood bench, plus a cushion, 2 pillows, and a smart TV and a shoe rack as well. And this is the kitchen area. The kitchen area have gas stove and a sink and a bit of wardrobe. And it also has a really big fridge. Yep. So this living room, it also has an aircon, a washing machine, and another table from there. And this is the first room. The first room, it has a wardrobe and a table, a mirror, a bench, a double bed. Let me check out. Oh, the bed is so comfortable. I always check the bed because, you know, the bed is like you sleep every single day. You don't want to have like uncomfortable bed. Sorry. And alarm, I always like to have to check double bed. Like bed always like important. So this is the first room. And this room also has an aircon. This room is much bigger than the first one. And this is another room. It has a double bed, 2 pillows, a long pillow, and a table, a wardrobe, and a small table. Just want to let you know, this apartment has so many cables that is really good because so good. It's easy and convenient. The more plugs, the better. Another aircon, a fancy light. Yeah, so the first room, it's a bit bigger than the second one. And it also has a balcony. This is the balcony area. It also has a coat hanger already, so you don't have to buy it. And this is the balcony area. The balcony is a bit small as well, but it's big enough for hanging clothes or just sit down here, have another chairs here, and drink a cup of coffee, or you can sit inside. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is quite big. It has a mirror, a sink, a Western style toilet, a shower with hot water. Yeah, the bathroom is really clean. As you guys can see, it's quite clean and big. So for this apartment, it's $250 per month as well. So the first one and the second one, the price is the same. And for the electricity, it's 25 cents per unit. And water, it's $5 per person. And it's unlimited. And this is the third room. As you walk into the apartment, there is a wooden bench as well, and the table and a smart TV. The smart TV is quite big, and this is a fridge. The fridge is quite big as well, and this is the kitchen area. It has a sink, cupboards, and another table, and 2 chairs. So the living room also has an aircon. A bit small for the living room with an open plan kitchen, but it's good enough. And the price is quite good too. And this is the bedroom. As you can see here, it has a double bed and a wooden drawer and a bench. So this apartment have a lot of like wooden thing. It looks so unique. It looks like a really unique style, you know. and it has a mirror, a table, a coat hanger, a wardrobe, another aircon, a lamp, and this is the window area. You can see it's quite nice outside. And this room also has an aircon. So now let's check out the bathroom. As you can see here, it has a mirror, a sink, a bathroom, a shower with hot water, and the bathroom is quite big and quite big as well, not bad at all. So this apartment is $200 per month. It has two aircons, one bedroom, a bathroom. So, and also has a balconies here. The balcony is, yes, the balcony is a bit bigger than the first and the second one, and it has really nice view and have a coat hanger as well. So this apartment is $200 per month, and yep, and also this apartment has free Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi speed is about 20 megabytes per second, and yeah. And the location of this apartment is quite good. It's only 5 minutes away, maybe 4 to 5 minutes away to the pub street. So it's really good. To the biggest local market in Siem Reap, probably around maybe 8 minutes or 10 minutes. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you guys interested in this property, you can contact directly to the owner and you get the, so you don't have directly to the owner, so you don't have to go to travel agency and save you lots of money by the agency's commission. And that's all for this video, and thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for more video. Bye.